Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to continue from where we finished last time. We created the drawings, we associated levels to them, and we added templates for them. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create sheets for them, and we are going to add them to the sheets. So here we go. The node that creates sheets is called sheet. Actually, let me search for it by another mean, by name. Um, we go down sheet. What we want is not this one. We can go directly for this one. Sheet name, sheet number, title block, and views, but it's a bit complicated. I don't like it very much. So let's go for this one. We're gonna add the view later, afterwards. Okay, so the sheet name. Um, let's do something. We already have. Let's name them discipline plus the level. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we already have these. All we have to do is take them and put them together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and get the concatenator. Let's take this one and let's take the list get item. This one will be the string. We're gonna see what we're gonna put in it. We're gonna take this one. Let's go for columns for name, and they're gonna be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna need 5 and 2. I'm gonna go here. We're gonna put 5-2. We're gonna go get the separator, and we're gonna also need these. So what do I get here? Okay, 5 and 2, perfect. Now put them here, and we want. What are we taking here? Nope. We're gonna need the data from this one. Not this one. Let's go for this one because we don't need the first row. So we're gonna take this one, place it here, run, and there we go. ELE parking, ELE, etc. We have our names. We could call it anything. You can create something through Excel, have the names. You may have actually the names inside of the TIDP if you're working on a TIDP. You could get it from anywhere. I'm just taking this one here. The sheet number will be the same number here, but what I want is that we create the sheets, then we put them, we create the views, then we put them inside the sheets. So to be able to actually do that, we're gonna go from take the in for the sheet numbers, not the out. So if they exist, we take them and put them inside. Okay. I think I need to do a matching between this one and this one. Okay, let's do that after. Let's finish first what we're gonna do here. Let's go. We need the title block family. Let's first see if there is something like that. So let's say title block. So there's something called title block types in the rhythm. Actually, there's also one in the Revit. Let's check it out. Nope, that's not what I want. So we have already a title block in the sample. So if we put this here and we press run. Now if we go here and we look at the sheets, we have our sheets with each one has its number. Perfect. Yo. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do them in one bulk. So I'm gonna delete the sheets later. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna add views. It's called viewport by sheet view location. This is the one that we need. We're gonna go here. The view will be, so we don't have them. We actually need to get them. it's a simple name matching, like all the ones that we did before. We already have the element names here. We can go and put a view node, a watch node. This watch node actually just shows us the result that we have. So if you have like a very big result, let's disconnect this for a sec. So this is what the view node actually do. It just showed us the result of the node of the input. You can make it bigger, so if you have like a big line of result, you can be able to see it better. So we're gonna match these with the ones here, and get the views that we need. So we're gonna get the equal, since we have wanted to be the same, and we're gonna check if in this list we have, in this list we have one of these, and get it. So let's go. The in is the x, and I want to check in each one of these. So if I run, I should have 30 lists. Let's check it. Yeah, so we have 56 lists, which is equal to this. So we're gonna need to reverse these. This one will be the level 1, and run it. Now we should have 30 lists. Okay, perfect. Now we filter by bool. Filter by bool mask. We're gonna put this mask here and have it be at level 2. Level 2. And we're gonna take these elements from up there, put them here, run. We have 30 results in the end. Let's flatten that. Run again. So these are my levels, my views. So now if I put these views here, and we're putting the sheet names. Where did we go? We got the sheet names again. Yeah, right from here. And location, you could try multiple times to get the right location. So for the location, we're gonna go and get a point by XYZ. I'm gonna go for 0, 0, 0 for now. Let's delete these here. No, actually I have one here. So let's delete these. Damn it. Cancel. I'm gonna delete these sheets because they have to be created together. And run. What do we have here? Cannot place views on as it is already on the sheet. Oh, so what's happening is, as usual, this is at level 3, while these are at level 2. So we're gonna need to use level on this one to make it a level 2. And then let's do one more time. We're gonna go here and delete all the sheets again one last time. Come here and we run again. Okay. So after like a minute, we have all our sheets. Let's check it out. And the location is very bad and it's pretty big. So what do we do? The location is actually controlled by the so what we're gonna need to do is find the x and y. We'll need the z for the middle of this. This is placed very wrong, because this is the 0, 0, 0, which is the start of the drawing. But the center of this view is its origin. So what do we do in this case? What we do is we get the center of this title block. How do we do that? We come here and we get the title block of the sheet. Then we put a bounding box over the title block. And we go down, we grab minimum point and maximum point. For whatever reason, there isn't like one node that gives you the center. Or maybe I don't know about it, whatever. Then we can go line by 2 points, by start point, end point. This is like the easiest way, not to calculate x and y and z. Then we go point at parameter. And we say the parameter is 0.5. There's the mid. So now for the sheets that we are going to create, we're going to get the coordinates of this, the location of this view. Let's plug in back the sheet. The sheet name, and for the sheet, we're going to take this, plug it here. Now, one more thing that we need to actually control is the scale. The scale is too big. So let's run view scale, set scale, this one. We'll take this view and put it here. How does this work? It's actually, you put here the 1 over what? So I want it to be like 1 over 150. I put 150 here, and the scale will make it 1 over 150. Let's go back, delete the sheets. And run it one more time. Run. Ah, forgot about that. Yep. Let's flatten that. Again. Let's actually take a look at the locations. Yep, it is actually one location. Good. And let's check the one that was placed. We can know if it's placed correctly or not now. That is pretty good. It is actually in the middle perfectly. You can actually get the distance from here to here and take it out from take half of it out from the location. Do a small calculation. The view will be centered perfectly. And it is 1 over 50. 150 actually. The scales, you can actually also get them from the TIDP itself, like we got the name here. So it is, you have almost all the data that you need. So we need to flatten this one. Let's, again, delete all of these. Let's go and get one of the sheets, any one of the sheets, instead of having all of them. Get the midpoint and use this one at level 1. Let's give this one at level 2. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. I don't need this flattened. They're all gonna be the same title block, so they're all gonna have the same location. So if I only use one, it's fine. The problem is we don't have the sheet already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take only one sheet. We're gonna go for list index, get item at index. This is going to be the list, and my index is going to be 0. And this one is at level 2. No, this one at level 3. 1, 2, and 3. This one at level 3. So we're going to need this to be at level 2 to get only 1. And let's go in, delete our drawings, our sheets. You can also actually call all our sheets, like another way, if you want to separate the sheets creation from the putting the views, you can actually call them by category, like we did the first time, and when we called views or the levels. It should work right now. Seems like we have our views. What is here? Converting objects is not allowed. Viewport when operation failed, they cannot be null. But I see that they actually worked, so let's see. Yeah, it actually worked. Perfect. This is going to be the end of this TIDP to Sheets videos series. I hope you learned a lot, and if you have anything you want to modify, you want to add, and you want my help, um, just put it in the comments, and I'll maybe create shorts about it, or maybe message you private. We'll see. And I'll see you in the next video.